Hello and welcome back. Let's start with the currency call now, where euro has declined off 3-week highs on caution over the Slovak EFSF vote. Monday gains, the biggest one day in 15 months for euro, see no follow-through buying in the day-to-day. Yesterday we did see levels like 1.3698. Today 1.3645 is just about holding. The data from the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission shows that the currency speculators increased their net short positions in the euro to biggest in about 4 months. The decline also has come in case of Australian dollar. That one had gained 2.5% yesterday, but at this point in time, marginal losses coming in for that one. Ditto is the case for many Asian currencies and the Indian rupee as well, which turned weak after a strong start. The dollar demand from oil companies has offset positive equity markets and a firm euro for the Indian rupee. We did see open at around 48.90, and at this point in time, 48.97 is how that one is trading. Let's go across to our guest then, and Pramit Brahmbat, CEO Alpari Financial Services, now joins us from his Ahmedabad studios. Pramit, hi, welcome to the show. Let's start with the euro first and the kind of jitteriness that one has been facing. No detailed plans coming in from Eurozone, and of course the Slovak voting today, all of that is keeping the market on jitteriness. How would you want to look at the euro levels now?
Hi Manisha. Well, if you look at the market, yesterday there was a lot of positive news, and the strong euro rally supported non-dollar currencies and the European market. But today, after the Slovak news, definitely there is some sort of correction we have seen. This is going to remain like this for coming months and weeks, because when there is a issue within the economy, you do not find a solution straight away, and there will be always some news which will affect the market heavily, and that's what we have seen right now. But looking at the market, euro is going to remain under the pressure, but technically it has seen the upside and it has broken the key levels. So we can see, apart from news, euro can gain.
Any levels that you are working with, Pramit, in case of euro, and what impact do you see of all of this coming in case of Indian rupee?
1.38 is a very important level for euro. If it managed to break that level, then we can definitely see the levels at 1.40 and 1.41 kind of level. But this level is very important for us to be broken. In terms of the rupee, the effect we have seen today is absolutely due to the global effect rather than the domestic effect, because tomorrow is the corporate results will come for the quarter. But I don't see that is going to make a major impact on the dollar rupee pricing compared to the international market.
You know, near term, while we have seen a bit of a pullback come in case of rupee, we almost did touch 50 and have come back. But how do you see this quarter really shaping up, and how do you see 2011 ending?
If you look at month-to-month basis, I think in month of October, rupee can float between 49 to 50 level, because there are a lot of strong resistance, and the support levels are there from 49 level all the way up to 46-50 levels. So rupee dollar has a lot of support which can hold back rupee at those levels. But any fundamental news coming from the Eurozone will definitely help rupee to gain. If you look at overall quarter, rupee can be in a better situation compared to end of last quarter, which is September ended, and we can see it can float around 46.50 to 47.50 levels by end of this quarter.
Today's day actually has been of consolidation after the run-up that we saw in the high-yielding currencies yesterday. Today it just has about held on to them or given up some of those gains as well. Is that how you see day-to-day moving in sense of currencies?
I think this will be the course of action going ahead, because the way the market is volatile due to the news coming from Europe, this is going to be a trend now, and we will see that there will be a couple of days or 3-4 days of rally, and there will be some consolidation coming. As I said, there are a lot of resistance level for the dollar specifically against rupee. That is what pulling the rupee back again. So it's very important that rupee break that level and hold up to that level. Otherwise, we'll keep seeing this sort of correction coming back.
Pramit, though there hasn't that as much happened in the high-yielding currencies, but you have seen a rebound of 0.5% in case of dollar index. So would you say that ahead of all this voting, there is a bit of a safe haven buying coming back into the markets?
I would say it's rather than more of a safe haven, it's more of a covering of the position, hedging the position before the news are coming.
Pramit, one final question on where would you want to put your money in the currency space right now in the kind of uncertainty that we are in?
The strongest currency and the most promising currency in such a volatile scenario is, I think, yen, where someone can keep their valuation above par, and that is the most important thing in this point of time.
All right, Pramit, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us with your sense on all of those currencies. So Japanese yen is one space where Pramit or Alpari, for that matter, would want to put in money. With that, it's wrap on the segment of Currency Call. Thank you for watching.